Which among the following is a wrong statement? Option A, yeast is unicellular and is useful in fermentation. This is true. Yeast is indeed unicellular and it plays a crucial role in fermentation. That is, for example, ethanol fermentation, and it is used in baking, brewing, and winemaking as well. So, option A is an incorrect answer. Option B, penicillium is multicellular and produces antibiotics. This is also true. Penicillium is a genus of mold and mold is multicellular and it is not for producing the antibiotics that is penicillin. So option B is incorrect. Option C, neurospora. So neurospora is a type of fungus and it is commonly used in genetic research. So option C is also an incorrect answer. Option D, morels and truffles are poisonous mushroom. This is incorrect because they are highly valued edible mushrooms. Morels are a delicacy and truffles are a type of fungus that grows underground and it is considered a gourmet food. So that means option D is the correct answer. They are not poisonous mushroom.